Now we're going to use Rule 2 to perform some problems where we have multiplication and division and we have more than one operation to do. And we're going to use the same process, so we're given a symbolic form. We're not given a context where the order you're supposed to do them in is implied. We're going to use the rule that we learned in the last one, perform the operations from left to right. So let's start by highlighting our operations. So here we have 6 times 4, so there's multiplication, divided by -2 times 2. So we have 1, 2, 3 operations to perform. And remember, since these are all multiplication and division, we do them from left to right. So let's get a highlighter ready. So we're going to start with 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 24, and now I'm going to bring down the rest of the problem. Divided by -2 times 2. That was our first operation. Now here's, from left to right, here's division, is now our first operation. 24 divided by -2, well, 24 divided by 2 is 12, and a positive divided by a negative is negative. So we have -12, now bring down the rest of the problem, times 2. And now there's only one more operation to perform, multiplication. -12 times 2, well, 12 times 2 is 24. A negative times a positive is negative. And this is our final result. I'm going to check that I didn't leave out any operations. There were 3, and notice we have 1, 2, 3 steps here. Let's try the next one. So start by highlighting the operations. Here we have division, division again, and notice here this means 2 times -3 because the -3 is in parentheses and there's no symbol. So that's not subtraction, that's a negative sign. I'm just going to put a little arrow in here. That's multiplication. And we have 1, 2, 3 operations to perform. And we're going to do them from left to right. Okay, let's use a different color. How about orange? So first we're going to do this division. 24 divided by 4. Well, 24 divided by 4 is 6. Now I'm going to write the rest of the problem. Divided by 2 times -3. Next, we have division and this implied multiplication, so we do the division first. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And we bring down the times -3. And now we have 3 times -3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and a positive times a negative is negative. So our final result is -9. Checking, there's 1, 2, 3 steps, and it looks like I did them all.